Good morning, guys. Good afternoon, good evening, whatever, depending your time. If you're watching this video, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel again. This is Donna_Alicia itself, and thank you so much for coming to watch my video again. God bless you so much for coming back to watch my video. I really appreciate you are supporting for you to coming to watch my video, guys. Yeah, I thank God and I thank you so much for coming to watch me again, and thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for the comments. Thank you so much for like the video, and thank you so much for subscribe my YouTube channel. So in case if you are new here, consider subscribe, comment, share, and if you're subscribed, turn the notification on, guys. When I upload the video every day, every time, the notification is coming through for you. So welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Donna_Alicia the self, guys. I'm coming live for where I'm live here, but I want to traveling to going to some place, yeah, to see what is going on there, and I want to going to still there. Yeah, for now I want to going to still there. And I'm here. I want to going to I am my brother. I am my place. I'm my home to see what is going on there, and to say hi for the people. Is protect my brother home there, and I want to going to see. I want to going to see what is going on there. Yeah, thank you so much for coming to watch my video, and in case you're watching, give the video like, comment, share. And I want to going to see something special there. I have something special that I want to going to see today. So let's go and be with me for this channel. In case you're watching, kindly give the video like, comment, share. I start this is video for where I'm live here, but for now I'm leaving. I'm leaving to going at I am my place there. So I'm here and to going to show you. So let me post something. I forget something in the house, and then I'm coming to tell you, guys. I mean to get yeah. I moved to going to my brother home. I am my home there. So I want to calling the border to come to pick me to going there to see what is going on. But I don't want to going with this road. I want to going with this road today. I don't want to going with this road, this public road. I want to going with private road. So let me take the motorbike to take. I see, but it's not see me here. So in case you're watching, guys, give the video like, comment, share. A lot of music is here, but no problem. Yeah, a lot of music is here. Puja. So a lot of music is here. And thank you so much for coming to watch. God bless you so much. So let me take the motorbike to going. Mambo. Ma, nyambo hapo ni shinya. Tapita hapa hivi. Takulipa pesa. Okay. So guys, today I changed the road. I take this road for passing to going, and I don't pass for this road. Yeah, today I touched the road, and this road is so deep. It's not far. This is distance for here. So this is the reason why I passing here. I passing for this road. And thank you so much for being with me here. And yeah, already I'm going, and this is. Thank you so much, guys, for coming to watch my video. So let's go to see what is going on at my place, and how that people is live there. Yeah, because yeah, I want to going to see, and I want to going to greeting these people, and I want to going to going to still there. Still there, and till the day my brother is coming. Yeah, and I will talk to him. So this is the reason why I'm going. Yeah, and today I'm I'm not going to my work. Yeah, so thank you so much for coming to watch the video. Watch the video till the end. If you watch, give the video a like, comment, share. This is Dorna the Self, and God bless you so much for coming to watch my video. Yeah, let's go to see what is going on there, and let's go to see what amazing. And I'm going to see this before, and I'm going to see what is going on there. I want to go to see my something there is there. So yeah. And no problem, guys. Feel free, if you're here, feel free for support this channel, and feel free to say anything for the comment section. For your advice, I can take it to work within. So tell us for the comment section, and advice for the comment section. Thank you so much for coming. For much more, for many more followers in the description. Road. Let's go, guys. Let me show you the road. This road. Let me show you this road. This road is not different. It's not so far like there. You know, there big road there, public road there is so far. It's so far, but this is like 5 minutes. This is like 3 minutes. We reach Nyambohansen. We reach at Magno place there. But there is like 5 minutes or 6 minutes. We reach Nyambohansen. So yeah, this is the reason why today I pass it from here. And when you pass this road, the price for here and price for there is different. So this is the reason why. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate your supporting. Let's go to see what is going on. The other sense. If you are new here, kindly consider subscribe, comment, share. Remember to not skip the ads. Don't skip the ads if you're watching. Don't skip the ad if you're watching. Yeah. And tell us in the comment section. Tell us in the comment section. Yeah, and guys, I promise you everything will be okay. Everything will be okay. And keep praying for us. Keep praying. And keep to advise the people. Keep praying. Keep to advise the people. Yeah, for your advice, everything will be okay. For your prayer, everything will be okay. So keep it in up and keep to praying keep to praying for us. Yeah, we are really appreciate, guys, for your prayer, for your advice. We really appreciate. Yeah, thank you so much for coming again. Let's go. I'm almost to reaching, so maybe I can cut, or I can show you how this distance. Maybe I can show you this is how it is the distance. This distance is not far. This road is not far, and there is so far. So we already almost to get to reaching where I'm going. I'm almost to reaching where I'm going. So watch it. Kindly if you want to give the video a like, comment, share. Remember to subscribe. subscribe if I watch the video. I'm almost, guys, at my place is there. You can see it's there. Yeah, so this is I'm in almost reaching there. So yeah, I don't stop this because I want you to see this. Yeah, this is how. So guys, already I'm rich, and yeah, at my place is up there. So I paid this motorbike, and I will I'm coming back. So thank you so much for being with me. If for what, give the video a like, comment, share. Let's go to see what the next at I am Magno place. So I'm reaching, and I'm distance for the here. So let's go. Finally, already I paid the motorbike, and I'm walking to go. At my home. So, in case you're watching, kindly give the video a like, comment, share. Remember to subscribe if you're new here. If you're new here, remember to subscribe. And why I'm coming here? We're going to know why I'm coming here. Yeah, I'm coming to see something, but another things I'm going to tell you why I'm coming here. So thank you so much for being with me here. Yeah, let's go. I want to reach there like surprise. So I don't want to shout. I want to reach there like surprise. Yeah, I'm almost. The home is here. Yeah, I'm almost to reach in. So I want to reach here like surprise, because I have yeah, it's like 3 days. Yeah, from Friday, that guy is calling me. He's called me. And today, from that day and from today, I'm here. So let's go. I don't want to shout.
Kura. Kura si hatujamuona. Yenda pale kazini kisha dole. Atia ikweta tu. Hakuna nakuja.
Atindo boy.
Yeah.
How are you?
I'm fine.
I'm reaching in, guys. How are you? Hey, you are enjoying life, you guys.
Not like this is lunch.
You guys, you enjoy the life.
This is lunch, guys. This is not lunch.
After lunch, man.
After tea.
After lunch.
After
this is
tea.
the fruit.
Today this is our lunch. We use as our lunch today.
Introduce yourself.
What's up, guys? I go by the name @Musa.
Don't intro the camera.
Acha ni wewe.
Why you eating the camera?
Tayari. I go by the name @Musa. We say thank you for your support. You are a good guys.
Yeah.
Come live from Dorina channel.
Yeah, but how are you guys?
I am good.
Everything is good here.
Everything is good. That there is a sun till tomorrow. Then there is sun is raining.
Wow.
Yeah.
But you are okay. Health is good.
Yeah, health is good. What about you?
Yeah, my health is fantastic.
How is your journey at the road?
Our journey is good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I thank God.
You are welcome.
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah.
I'm
guys,
coming. Yeah.
Go and check me @Musa. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give us support.
Yeah.
To the returning subscriber, we say thank you for your support. Keep supporting my sister Dorina. Roll to
10,000.
10,000 subscribers at the channel, guys. You know you are a good guys. Dorina.
Yeah.
Say something to me.
Yeah, guys, kindly, if you get to watch the video, kindly check out @Musa. The name in the description down here. If you are new here, you don't know @Musa, kindly check out. After watching this, check out for the description down here. Tap the link name in the description. Check out there. And if you are new there, consider subscribe, comment, share, watch the video till the end, and support for everything you want here, guys. Feel free for the support and
yeah,
show love for him, guys. @Musa. Gentlemen. Gentlemen.
Yeah.
Gentlemen at place here. So you guys, I'm coming to see you.
Yes.
From Friday, I don't come here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You have taken a long time. You have not come.
Yeah, and you remember that guy is calling me from Friday.
Yeah, I remember the guy.
Yeah, guys, the Friday is the one, guys, is Shahidi. Shahidi is what? As witness.
Witness of the oath.
Yeah. Witness for Dorina.
Witness for
Dorina. It's the witness. Is listen everything. This guy is attacking me.
Yeah, the day he was there.
Yeah.
The guy called at the 11 p.m.
11, no, it's 5. Yeah, 5 p.m.
5 p.m.
evening. Yeah.
Just to remove some word not good to the health, guys. Not good to the life. The guy was removing some bad words that we try to be patient, or we say Paul.
Yeah.
Yeah, but the guy was
so attacking.
Attack the family. We don't like that guy, guys, please.
But you guys, I'm coming here.
Yeah.
To told you, be careful for this when you still here.
Yeah.
This is the reason why I'm coming here, because sometimes you don't know what is going on.
Yeah. I really don't know what is going on.
Yeah. So you guys, you're supposed to be careful. Yes. So maybe we can sit to talk with you, and also we have a Muita _ down here.
Yeah, guys. Welcome to is it live?
Yeah, live.
Yeah, guys. I'm by name Muita.
Yeah.
Thank you for hosting me to your channel.
Yeah.
You want to support me to not do 5,000 fast because we are heading 500. It will be so amazing. So Dorina, thank you for hosting me to your channel.
Yeah.
I really appreciate.
Yeah.
There is another day. It's week 1 of February. And thank God for that opportunity because we are healthy, safe, and protected. For that, we say glory to our Lord because we are still alive. So, Dorina,
you
know, we told us that there's someone called you.
Yeah.
You know, these things sometimes it's the reality, guys. You know, sometimes people may talk and you say, "Oh, is it a joke?"
Yeah.
But sometimes it's true.
Yeah.
And for that, we need to be careful for to receive a call, because you may receive without you knowing. That's why sometimes it's so bad to receive a call which you don't know where it's coming from. The person who is calling you, what is his interest. You need to be careful. For that, sure, we need to be careful. And it's not us here in the every place. We can say every place in the world, because people may start looking for the other people.
Yeah.
And they can even call you. So you need to be very, very proud, and you need to be careful about that.
Yeah. Yeah, guys, this is Muta_Dani. In case you're watching, you don't know him, kindly check out for the description down here. Yeah, I put this name every day, every time for my all video, guys. So kindly, in case you're watching and after watch this, kindly check out, tap the description name down here. Support, subscribe there, comment, share. Yeah, show love for that for him. So I really appreciate you guys. So I'm coming here. The reason why I'm coming here, I want to talk with this guy, and let me see something for this place. And first of all, I want to check something in this place, and I want to see something in this place behind the camera, actually. So after seeing, and I want to talk with this guy. Maybe he don't know what is going on, but the Atindo_Musa is not a little bit for this situation, because the Friday call, we are with Atindo_Musa, and my young brother is calling Kikwete. We listen everything for these guys attacking me, and for other people like Muita and also is don't know who the guy is calling. Is call me this woman is call me. What is talk about this place, and what is so I want to talk with him, with all, to be careful and to protect this place, and to know what who the guy will stand up within for this around, to protect this Mayugno place here. And I want and I'm here, and also me, I'm here. I want to still here till the day I am Mayugno when it's coming. So I believe everything will be good. We are here with all, to make sure everything at Mayugno place is safe, and is good, is protection, is everything is so nice. When it's come back, it's not good when someone is come back. You see everything is not good for their place, and their people we are there to see everything is going on bad. No, it's not good. So this is the reason why I'm coming here, and thank you so much for being with me for here. Thank you so much for coming to watch the video till the end. Subscribe. So I want to see something behind the camera, and I want to come to show you something. I want to come to address this in the camera. Let's go. So guys, finally guys, welcome and welcome back again to my YouTube channel, guys. Dorina_share the self, and I'm here with all Atindo and Muita_Dani, and my young brother is feared the camera. Actually, he's feared the camera, so no problem when you don't see him in the camera, because he's feared. Maybe their faces can kuchoma camera.
He's afraid.
Maybe their faces can kuchoma camera. So you guys, how are you?
You're fine.
How is your journey?
I'm fine.
You're fine. Atindo, how are you?
I am good.
Yeah. Are you happy, guys?
Yeah, happy. Yeah, because you are
why I see you're not happy. What is going on?
To me, I am happy, but not full.
Why you short happy? Like why you short happy?
Something is not going well at my village of my heart.
Yeah, you Muita.
Say am just that because when you arrive, you need to say you are happy. Even if you have many problems facing you, just
But I see you're not happy like.
No, you can't laugh because so that people can see you are happy. You can even be happy at yourself. You know yourself that you are happy.
Yeah.
It's not a matter of laughing.
Okay, guys, I have something amazing for you guys. Someone is trying to calling me. I have something amazing for you. Yeah, so I want to address something for you guys. You know, you live here a lot of the time. You live here. Hey, it's you. So, guys, we are back. Someone is trying to call me, and you guys, I have a. Actually, you watching me, guys. You watch my video. You watch. You know what is going on.
No, some little bit I watch, but not on the video.
So I'm coming here to address you something. Yeah, because the boss, I know very soon it will be coming, but I want to address you something for the like advice to protect you, like to be careful. Yeah, to be careful for everyone, and to be careful for who the someone we talk within. And like don't talk too much.
Yes.
When you talk with someone, don't talk too much.
Yeah.
And when you talk, don't talk about someone. Yeah, when the someone is talk with you, like yeah, something is like whoa like that. Yeah, and it's ask you what about someone, don't tell them. And I know me, my heart, I don't like to talk with about someone. My heart, I don't like to talk bad about someone. So this is, I give you like advice. The reason why what is happening for me, what the what the this attacking is told me, and I want to share with you this because you live here anytime you are here. And when Mayuno is not around, when Mayuno is around, you are here, you guys. So, first of all, you're supposed to protect yourself. You're supposed to start protect yourself before the someone is come to protect you. So this is the reason why I want to share with you. A little bit, I think is know what is going on because we picked the phone for yesterday, Friday. We are with Atindo there. This I know Atindo, you know what I talked about because you are the witness, like you are like the witness. Yeah, guys, Friday next week, Friday.
Last week.
Yeah, last week, Friday, we received the call. We are with Atindo Musa, and my young brother is calling Kikwete. We are within here at my place. The some police called me, and I told her this number is the devil number, but it's tried calling me from morning, and I don't to pick. So I want to pick. You are here, and you be like my witness. And Atindo Musa is listening everything, and my young brother is listening everything. The everything attacking is this guy is listening. So and a little another. I received the call from the lady again. The call again. Yeah, I received the call from the lady, and it's attacking me too much. It's attacking me too much, and me for my protection, I giving the statement in the police yesterday for my protection. So for your protection, you guys, and for protection at my place here, I want to tell you, like, be careful for everyone. Be careful for this. For if you are live here, be careful and take your protection. Be attention for what everything is happening. Don't sleep too much night. Yeah, it's true. Not laughing, guys. Don't sleep too much night.
That is true.
Yeah, don't sleep too much night. You can sleep like 3 hours or 5 hours and then wake up to check around what is going on. So you want to be careful. This is the serious issue.
Yeah.
You don't know who someone is coming to attacking you. You don't know who the guy. So I know you are here, you are gentleman, and me, I will be with you here till the day that my is coming. I will be with you here. So and also, yeah, and also guys, we have it's now with the people is move the maize. So we're supposed to move to help. My mom is down there. She has a maize down there. I was supposed to help to move the maize. So I will be with you here to make sure everything is good. I don't give us the energy like I have a big energy. I can protect this. No, we will be here because me there already. I put the statement for the police station, and me there I live for the arrangement house, and the people is there. It's still there. I live distance. People like this is the door for the neighbor. This is my door, and when someone is come to attack me, the neighbors can listen like who the guy is coming.
They can even don't wake up because that thing can't even wake up. You see, you can't even say your neighbor can protect you. Sometimes.
Sometimes. But for me, I want to come to live with you here.
To accompany us.
Yeah, to accompany us and to
make noise if someone comes.
To till the end, Mayugno when is coming, we are with you here. We're with you here to till everything is going on. So yeah, we're supposed to do that. And guys, we are here, and I'm here. Yeah, I'm here to make to be company with this guy.
Yes.
Yeah, to be company with this guy. Maybe to can buy my room.
Can't beat yourself.
Yeah, no. Yeah, we want to.
You can use a room and the guy come with a machine gun.
Yeah, we can all pray, but we don't to say this when it's this is 100% is going to happening. No, we take the protection before everything is happening. So yeah, we are here, and I'm here with you guys. Yeah, and when everything is happening, we are here. And thank you so much, guys. We have this guy, 3 guys is at my place here. Kikwete and Muita _Dani and Atindo _Musa, guys. And 2 guys is as a YouTube channel. Kindly check out if you're watching. Give the video a like, comment, share, and remember to subscribe if you are watching, guys. So for the next video, turn the notification on when I upload my video every day. Every time the notification is coming through for you. I really appreciate your supporting for coming to watch my video. Thank you so much for being with me here. And this is my advice, guys. I want to connect with you. We're supposed to be careful. For another, I will talk within. I will talk with you behind the camera, because we have a serious talk, a serious issue. So I will talk within behind the camera. So I don't want to opening everything for the camera, like addressing too much in the camera. I will talk within behind the camera, and to make sure my Ugno place is a good protection, good, safe. So thank you so much for being with me. Check out Tindo _Musa, Muita _Dani, and don't forget Kino _Elisha wherever is her. Yeah, thank you so much. Tap the description name down here, and don't forget Kenneth _The Remedy wherever you're watching this. Don't forget Kenneth _The Remedy. Everyone, guys, tap the name for the description down here. Yeah, they're going there and subscribe, comment, share. For now, I share with you this. Behind the camera, I will talk with you many more. Maybe night after eating the supper, I will talk with you guys. So I want to going to see my kitchen garden first of all, and then I will come to end this video. Let's go to see the kitchen garden, and let's go to see what is going on down there. Yeah, you know, I have the kitchen garden down there. I want to going to see and to make sure it's good or it's bad. So I will going to share with you this. So let's go to see what is going on. Thanks so much for being with me. I really appreciate your supporting. So finally, guys, I'm reaching for this place. Huh? Nana lingwa tena karanga.
Mbona zimeng'olewa nyingi? Sio moja, ni mbili.
Nana lingwa. Watu wameshaona hizi zimekomaa na zing'oa.
Hapa mimi niling'oa hapa. Hii sikung'oa, hii ambayo imeanza kukauka. Unaona mtu alianza kung'oa.
Akatoa. Guys, I've come to see my peanut. But the people is coming to take it.
No.
It's coming to take it. I'm not around. Look at it. It's ready. The peanut is ready. It's ready. Yeah. Groundnut. Yeah, the groundnut. Yeah, like it's English, yeah. It's ready. I was supposed to maybe to come to move.
No.
Peanut imeoza. Haijaoza. Imekomaa sana.
Unaona waling'oa wakaiachia sasa ndio. The peanut, the groundnut is ready. I'm supposed to come to move this. To move. Because the people is coming to take it. I'm not around, is coming to take it. I'm not around, is coming to pick. I don't know why. Let me go into my kitchen garden. To the kitchen garden to see. So, if I watch, give the video a like, comment, share. This is how I end this video. But the video, guys, I will move to give you the all situation, the all information. Yes, immediate chuma is this sukuma. Hey, my veggies is so nice. My veggies is so nice. I can sell. I can come with the customer to take this to sell. Yeah, because it's so many. I can take. Wow, look at. I can come with the customer to take. Yeah. Because wow. It's so many things here. Look at. Today I want to take and we're going to eat. We're going to cook at my place here. We're going to cook and eat at my home here. Wow. I'm very happy to see what I do is happening, is ready, is happening. Wow, I'm very happy. Wow. Let me take it, guys. Let me take it this. Because I'm super proud of the self. I'm super proud of the self for doing this. I'm super proud of the self for done this. Let me take it. Wow. Kikwete mlikuja mkachuma? Nani analichuma? Tulichuma bana sisi. Tulikuja tukachuma. Sukuma mwezi. Hizi sio sukuma wiki, ni sukuma mwezi.
Zipige dawa hizi.
Nitatia dawa.
Hizi smoke usiweke dawa.
Kwa nini?
Hizo dawa zinafanya tumbo inavimba.
Sasa uone zinaharibika babu.
Sitapiga dawa ile ya nini.
Zishafika mwisho.
Dawa za wadudu, uone zinang'atwa.
Zishafika mwisho.
Lei kazi. Ndia. Siwezi sema sikujali ndio masikini wangu.
Kula nyama nyamaza.
Hii ina mimba nataka kujifungua. Yaya inatembea.
Unajua ni mjinga.
Ugali hii nguo ya kijeshi. Usikute dogo amerudi Tarime.
Kwa nani?
Atajua mwenyewe.
Wewe Tarime kwa ishi kwa nani?
Sijui.
Au kwa jambo.
Sasa kama jana alikuwa maamuzi ya kurudi. Leo ndo atashindwa kurudi na babaka kumwambia. Kwanza leo kama alienda gaja asionekane hapo. Akitoa ila yake 20 akapanda gari akaja atamnyonga.
Dada yako anaishi kwa jambo.
Hamna. Alikuwa anaishi tu mwenyewe ndio maana ana kiburi alikuwa anajitawala.
Sasa ukaenda kuishi mwenyewe mwenye chumba cha shapa.
Ana ghetto. Wewe uliona
bwana vipi?
Si alikuwa na masufuria nguo.
Oi. Sasa alimwachia nani huko?
Guys, my veggies is ready.
Kuma.
Kuma we.
These are kales.
What?
Au nini?
Karanga zinaweza kuwa
Beans.
au maharage. Maharage yanaliwa na mziki.
Ndio leo ni ngelima.
Sikai vile kamera. So already I take it. My veggies is ready. Yeah, I can come every day to take, to cook, to going to cook, to eat. It's ready. I'm super proud of the self. I'm super proud of the self. Thank you so much for coming. And thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate your supporting. I really, really appreciate. Let me move this one. Let me move this. Yeah, it's so bad for the skuma wiki. This one is so bad for the skuma wiki here. Let me move it. This one. It's so bad. So, guys, keep watching until the end. Keep watch the video. Many is coming. And believe to see many more about the everything. Believe to see many. Wow.
Umeshika. Si hapa.
Hii ndo na tambo nimekwambia.
Si hapa.
Tambo yangu hii.
Hapa ni hotel. Sasa nimepoteza pesa. Kuniana na 200 Afrika dondo. Hujaokota hapo buku. Na bomu. Niambie.
Wow. Mbona zimekoma? Twende, tunapita. Achili ni kuro. Shika ikote.
Achili ndio amuna.
Twendeni sasa.
Huko hakuna njia.
Twende.
Njia twende.
So guys, thank you so much for coming to watch Dorina _ share the self, and I really appreciate your supporting for coming to watch my video. God bless you so much for being with me here, and believe to see many more. And thank you so much for your advice, for your all advice for me, for your all prayer, all support. I really appreciate, and I thank you so much. I thank you so much. So this is the reason why I'm here. Yeah, I will be here till the day Maiguna when it's coming. So thank you so much for coming, and I really appreciate your supporting. Yeah, everything is good at my Maiguna place, no problem. Everything is good. So thank you so much. God bless you. Let's go to the next video. Let's go to the next video, and let's go to the next amazing. Yeah, and I will come to tell you what the truth about this number, what the truth for this situation. Yeah, for the next video I will come to talk with you, and I will come to address you this. Yeah, so thank you so much for being with me here. I really appreciate your supporting. God bless you so much. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for give the video a like. Thank you for everything. Thank you for the advice, for their prayer. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. Yeah, let me end the video and see you in the next video, guys. Bye for now. Tomorrow I will give you the all. I will give you all, guys. So bye for now, and believe to see many more for this here. It is January, but no problem. God with me. God is everyone. Bye.